Hello craft friends, my name is Dana. I thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate it. Today I'll be sharing the October card kit from Jolie. So I'll be first going through the papers that you're going to get. This month's Graphic 45 Hello Pumpkin, you get an 8x8 collection pack with 3 papers of each design. The first one's Hello Pumpkin. It's cute. I like this wheelbarrow with the crow, the little stamps, and the back of that one. Then you get Autumn Splendor, colorful pumpkins, and the orange polka dot on the back. This one I love. Fall is in the air. You get all these journal cards. Perfect for your albums and card making. That's the back. Then you have Farmer's Market. And the back of that one's a nice green plaid. Color Me Happy. And the back of that one. Harvest Time. All the colorful pumpkins. And the back is this nice green one. I like that. And I love this. Beautiful Bounty. You have lots of stamps, some more journal cards, and then the leaves on the back. And then the last paper is this colorful Falling Leaves. And that's the back. So that's all the papers you'll get. Then we have this die from Tonic. You'll be getting that in the kit. I'll show you all the new chipboards that Kim has in her shop. First one is this mushroom. And you get this cute little gnome. You get 2 each. Then this adorable squirrel, look at that. Isn't he cute? You get 2 of those. There's a nice wheelbarrow with the pumpkin inside. Get 2 of those. And then you have the gourd and the pumpkin and leaves in the wooden crate. So those are all the chipboards that you get. Then we have Graphic 45. These flowers, precious pink. I love these. These will go nice with the papers. Then you also get 5 of these adhesive pockets. I like these for shaker cards. If you wanted to put some special mementos in with your album, this is a nice place to do it. I like that they're adhesive on the back. And then you get this set of 6 cards with the envelopes. They measure 4 by 4 by 5.5 in black. Very nice. And then I'm excited about this. You get this Graphic 45 Ivory album in a box. It measures 5 by 5 by 5 by 5 by 2 inches. And then you get all the pieces in here so you can decorate your box. And after you get all your pages and pockets decorated, you can take adhesive and attach it inside the box, and it has a magnetic closure. I made one of these for a friend of mine and she really liked it. So I like this idea that you can have a nice little album in a box, and it's a great gift idea. So I hope that you order your kit early because they do tend to sell out pretty fast. Thank you for joining me today again, and I hope you have a crafty day. Bye-bye.